In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Printing invoices is an essential task for businesses, whether you're preparing records for clients, organizing your paperwork, or simply keeping things in order. QuickBooks Online makes this process straightforward, and with just a few clicks, you can create both physical and digital copies of your invoices. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, it's a cloud-based accounting platform designed to help businesses manage their finances. And if you don't already have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's walk through the steps to print an invoice. To begin, open QuickBooks Online and look for the navigation panel on the left-hand side of your screen. From there, click on Sales. Once you're in the Sales Center, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Go ahead and select the one labeled Invoices. This will take you to a list of all the invoices you've created in QuickBooks. Next, locate the specific invoice you want to print from the list. If you have a lot of invoices, you might need to scroll or use the search bar to find the one you need. Once you've found it, look for the small downward-facing arrow, also known as the caret icon, located next to that invoice. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down menu, select Print. At this point, QuickBooks will begin generating a PDF version of the invoice. This process is usually quick, but it might take a moment depending on the size of the file. Once the PDF is ready, it should automatically open in your browser. If it doesn't, you may need to check for a pop-up blocker notification in your browser. If you see one, make sure to allow QuickBooks Online as a trusted site so the PDF can display properly. Now, with the invoice open as a PDF in your browser, you'll see a toolbar at the top or bottom of the screen. Look for the print icon. It's usually represented by a small printer symbol, and click on it. This will open the Print dialog box. In the dialog box, you'll need to select your printer from the list of available options. Take a moment to verify your print settings, such as page size, orientation, and any other adjustments you might need. Once everything looks good, click Print and your invoice will be sent to the printer, producing a hard copy. If you'd rather save the invoice as a digital file, you can skip the printing step. Instead, simply click the Download button in the PDF viewer. This will allow you to save the invoice directly to your computer or device for future use. And that's it. You've successfully printed your invoice or saved it digitally using QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.